Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stroud here again. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. And I hope you all got outside yesterday and had a nice time. It seems like it's going to rain off and on today. So, maybe a good day to get this phonics page done. Okay, so today we are working on page 134 of your reader's notebook. And this is a spelling word sort. And what it says is write each basic word under the correct heading. Now our headings are a prefix that means again. Now we know pre means before, so it comes before a word and it means again. Or a prefix that means not or the opposite of. So let's take a look. Our basic words are 1 through 14. We have 2 review words and 2 challenge words. Let's take a look. Unfold. Okay, so if I fold something and then I unfold it, is it the opposite of fold? Does it mean not fold? Take a look at that word. Does it mean fold again? No, no. Un means not. Okay, so unfold. It's not folded. And then we have rejoin. Re, as I told you yesterday, means again. So rejoin means join again. So we're going to put rejoin over here under again and unfold over here on opposite. Okay, we got it? Let's see if we have any other prefixes that we need to look at. We have untie. Where will that one go? Number 3. Then we have reheat. Number 5 is unfair. Number 6 is unclear. I hope that I'm being clear today and I'm not unclear to you on how to do this paper. Number 7, repaid. If I have a bill and I accidentally repay it, that means what? Okay, then I have rewrite. I think we all know what that means. Unhurt. If I fell off my bike and I was unhurt, that's a good thing, isn't it? Very good. Next one, recheck. Unlucky. Unwrap. Reuse. And unsure. Okay. Down here it says review. Add the review words to your word sort. Our 2 review words are reread and unsafe. And finally, it says add the challenge words to your word sort. So our 2 challenge words are unbuckle and unknown. Okay, boys and girls, make sure you spell all your words correctly because they are right here. You can check them. Also, go down through your lists and see that most of your words have the same prefix. And actually, all of your words should have the same prefix, and all of your words should have the same prefix here. So think about what means again and what means not or the opposite of. All right? All righty, that was a short one today. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.